just when me just see Layla jump up out of her sleep and run go in the room, go look what happened to the baby.
Let's it.
Hey, what's up? So, here what we're going to do now. We're going to try something new this week. I'm going to try to prepare meals for up to Wednesday. So, I'm going to season up some meatballs and I can go with spaghetti. I'm going to do a curry chicken with probably food or rice. And Wednesday can be a tin food day, corned beef or mackerel or something. So I'm going to season up the chicken and the meatballs. I'm actually going to fry the meatballs tonight and put it in the freezer. So at the end of the day, I can just drop them in the pot with the sauce, and for the curry chicken, just drop it in the pot, make it start cook. And hopefully that will, that must free up some of the time though, yeah. So here we go. Season up some chicken and meatballs. So this is the meatballs and this is the chicken. So we're going to get started now. I don't know what's going on outside. Let's see what's going on outside with Layla and Zara here screaming.
Stop.
So they're troubling Hannah and enjoying it because she can't get up because she's eating soup. Layla is sneaking up.
Stop.
I'm telling you a funny story. 1 year ago, I could not do what I'm doing now. It's COVID while I learned to cook, because I couldn't cut up chicken. I couldn't do nothing, guys. The first thing I did was meatballs. Then I did some curry shrimp or something like that. But now I can hang myself in the kitchen 1 year later. Anything you put your mind to, guys, you can do it. You see me? So look at me now. Look at me now. Thank you, Nesbe. I can season up something and do something, and people are still alive after them eat it. Who could it be but God, though? So we're gonna get to it now, guys. Add my garlic, some salt, and some black pepper.
Hey guys, it's another Sunday, so we're getting ready for the week ahead. Tomorrow, Layla and Zara have a very tomorrow Layla and Zara have a very important appointment. So a friend of mine contacted me maybe last week, I think it was, and told me
I'm going to climb a tree, yeah?
going to climb the tree. Climb what tree?
Outside. If I don't come back, love you.
No, listen. Look here.
I'm going to climb the tree, guys. There's a manga outside that has been looking at me from morning. And
I just have one question.
I just have one question. She's on my life insurance.
No.
It's already beneficiaries. She'll take care of it.
Does it cover? I know it covers death.
Right, it does.
But does it cover injury?
No.
Injury from dropping out a tree.
If I'm living, then it's all.
Look here. Try to drop out of the tree here. As I was saying, tomorrow we are going to an early childhood institution to register them. They also have I'm talking to friends. You can't interrupt my video like that. They also have an interview to do or some kind of assessment. I'm not sure. This song may be one of the very things they ask them to recite. Come here, Sasa. I hope you can sing your ABCs tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow we're going somewhere. I am folding laundry. Tomorrow I'm folding laundry for baby sisters. Tomorrow you and Layla are coming. Me and you and Layla are going to go to a place, and we're going to and we're going to talk to some people. I'm not sure how many people. Could be one, could be two, possibly. I think the principal will want to talk to them. But yes, so a friend of mine told me about this early childhood. I don't remember the name of it exactly. Um, but for privacy purposes, of course, we're not gonna really share that on here, and safety for safety reasons, we're not gonna share that on here, as you guys can understand. But yeah, so I I'm gonna pick out something for them to wear and kind of prep them, let them know where we're gonna go and what might be expected of them. I don't think it's anything too rigorous or anything like that, but yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. So we're kind of just getting everything prepped for that because with me gone, of course, that means Paula got there with the two younger children, and yeah, he hasn't had to do that since, yeah, since ever. All right, so here we go. We're gonna just go with something nice and light and simple. Cotton tops and jeans for tomorrow. Just something that they can be comfy in. So they'll decide who wears what. So in addition to me going out with the girls tomorrow, Paul is going to be taking Eden to see a dermatologist. So last week Paul took her to the pediatrician to get a rash on her chin checked out. Well, actually, the whole thing has gotten even worse, even with the prescription medication that we got. So she has been referred to a dermatologist. So Paul is going to take her tomorrow after I get back with Leila and Zara and see if he can get the dermatologist to see her. We don't actually have an appointment, so we're hoping that he can get an early slot tomorrow in between appointments. They told us that we can come and do that. So yeah, we're gonna see how that works. I really want to have it addressed. I mean, it looks really bad. Let me show you. Hi, baby. So there it is, and she actually has developed a rash, more rashes on her cheeks as well. Yes, baby sister. So really want to get that checked out. The rash on her chin has gotten even wider, even bigger. It's really heartbreaking seeing her like this. And we're trying to figure out what is the cause of it. Say hi, Hannah. Yes, you're gonna wear those clothes tomorrow when we go to school, okay?
Nope.
Yeah, we're gonna wear them tomorrow when we go to school. So Zaza, no, don't put them on right now. We're putting them on tomorrow, okay? We're just picking them out. So this is what you want to wear tomorrow, Layla? You want to wear this one? All right, Zaza, you want to wear this one? All right, no problem. All right, put them back. We'll put them on tomorrow, okay? We'll wear them tomorrow. That's actually the back of the jeans, babe. Come, we'll put them on tomorrow, not today, okay? Come into mommy. We'll wear them tomorrow, okay? Not today.
Layla, you want to go outside? Huh? So yes, daddy. Come, let's go. Go for your shoes. Where's your shoes? See your sneakers right here, Layla. See it here. Come, sit down and put it on. Sit down and put it on. No, next one, next foot. Yes, very good. Zaza, you want to go outside? Go for your shoes. Come, bring it and come and put it on here. Come with the chairs, Zaza. Cause this mango think you're going to get the better of me. Make a sad mistake. Yes, let's go. What you want to do? No, we're not going in the car, baby. We're going to play outside. We're going to pick mango. You see that mango from morning? You see that mango? Wonder if you can see it. Wonder if you can see it. You see my cup there, so? That's the perfect kind of mango where it's not ripe, but it's not green. Oh gosh, man, when I get it, man, you see the color. Oh, the color look nice. So our next one, I hide right there, so. Oh gosh, man, just wait. Must go try going on the tree, guys. So these are my little helpers trying to use a stick to pick. But the one that I really want is not going to be reached by the stick unless I do some amount of climbing. You see me? You get it, Leila? You get it? Which one are you trying to get?
Get mango.
You trying to get mango?
This is a big mango.
You see a mango that you're trying? Oh my gosh!
I got it.
Yes, I catch it, but it nearly catch me. Yeah, man, I try to psych myself up to go climb the tree, and it's like a spirit just keep on and say, Paul, don't do it. I know, say, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna climb the tree because my life insurance certificate that I give Tina the other day from work flash in front of my eyes, and I say, you know, not a good day to go out like this. Also, and if I broke up something, I don't think it's cover injury. So, yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. So I'm going to see if the long stick can reach it. If it can't reach it, when it drop, but I shall not be the one to drop. Let's see if we can catch the mango still. Nice East Indian. Oh crap, it did say you want though. I'm going to pick it. And then come link you. But it's curfew. You see, if it wasn't curfew today, or not curfew, no. If it wasn't curfew, I'd reach your house and I'd build. Trust me, just try to start. It's going down now.
Bye.
Can you catch it? Wait to catch it? Over there. I'm gonna show you exactly how it's staying now, you see me? See, it's the perfect blend of.
There's a brown blue sugar.
Show them your mango. Wow. So they got their mango, them come on here mango. I got the, see? You see in yellow, you see in red, you see in green. I mean, you couldn't make this up. You want to see what, you want, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, yeah, I'm going to.
It's tasty.
Tasty. Wow. Say hi, friends.
My friends.
Alright, we're gonna see what Paul is doing outside. The Glaylands are with him. Make sure so him not do nothing too risky. Can't afford anything for him to even know. He is the backbone. Watch here. So I say all is well. Everybody's doing fine without me. Okay.
Good sense prevail.
Good sense prevailed. Good sense prevailed.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Glad to hear
I have
it.
too much to live for. Too much to live for.
Here, here. Leila, Zara, how you guys? How is the mango?
How's the mango, Zaza? Tastes nice?
I know we have friends who been eyeing our mangoes. You know, we really should try to arrange for Miss Mash to get some of our mangoes.
Mm-hmm.
Doreen, we'll soon hook you up. We're gonna make it happen.
Alright, Zaza. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. So you guys ready for tomorrow? You know what's happening tomorrow? Daddy
Yeah,
tell you?
No, I never tell them.
Daddy?
Hmm?
Why you never tell them?
Leila, you want to go to school?
No? You don't want to go to school? You're not ready to go to school?
Mango first.
Mango first. Oh, so
Mango first and then we'll go to school.
okay, priorities. All right. So when you go to the school tomorrow, you're gonna say ABCs. How you say ABCs?
C, D.
Come on, Leila. Let's hear you.
After 3. 1, 2, 3. A. Alright.
Hey. Come on, Leila. Let's hear it. Hey. All right.
Very
What about
good.
days of the week? Can you do days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yay! Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah.
What is your name?
Leila.
Leila Reed. What is
And what's your name?
Week.
Very
All
good.
right.
What is my name?
What is Daddy's name?
What's my name? Daddy what?
Week.
Yes, what is her name?
What is Mommy's name?
Mommy week.
Very good.
But Daddy's name is Paul Reed. Remember? What is Daddy's name?
What is
Mommy
what?
girl.
Mommy's a
And
girl.
Mommy is a girl, right? And Daddy is a boy. Good job. Yeah, I think we're prepared. I think we're doing well, right? I think tomorrow will go just fine with these young'uns. What we made sure to do and what we're glad about is that this institution is a Christian
Affordable.
institution.
Okay.
And yes, it's absolutely absolutely it is affordable. It is very, very affordable, well within our price point. And yeah, as I was saying, what is important also is that it's a Christian institution. And so yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna inspect the place because I have not been there myself as yet.
Please, Zaza.
Neither has Paul, but
Wash your
I
hands.
trust the judgment of the persons who have recommended it. So not only has my friend Disha given me a recommendation, but I've also gotten very high praise about this place from Paul's mom because she's personally affiliated with the church that operates this institution, and also she knows the principal. So yeah, so we kind of feeling very positive about it, and we hope that Leila and Zara will also like it if we like it, and that they'll be comfortable there. But as I said, it's not definite, it's not final yet, so we want to make sure that we go there, we check it out, and we see that everything is, you know, to our liking, and everything is on the up and up, and everything is is good, you know. All the recommendations, I go there and I see for myself that yeah, it's clean, it's comfortable, and very importantly, that they have protocols in place to deal with social distancing and hygiene, right? And sanitization. So that's very important as well. So yeah, we're gonna see what that's all about tomorrow.
You want to make it like yummy? Yeah. That's it, ready, Daddy? Lila going to school. I will go to school too.
Lila and Zara are going to school. Shoes drop.
No, it's not that.
So yeah, are you ready for the babies to go off to school?
Yes, actually. Let me come out to the house, man.
Yeah.
That would be, man, that would be like a... Wow. The possibilities.
What would you do with all that free time?
Baby shark.
I don't know.
I want to get
No, but
speech.
they don't really give that much trouble right now in terms of they more or
Yeah,
less
they're not that bad.
it's just to get them prepared and ready for school.
And meals.
Just
and
their
that.
meals, yeah.
Meals and other little thing, but
Bye.
they grow up so quickly, guys. As
Yeah.
they quint, they're out and get big. Let them grow overnight. It's just amazing to see them grow up so quickly, and the way that their intelligence is crazy, man. Some things what them do,
Yeah.
believe me, have you scratching their head like, how the hell them learn this?
Yeah, because they learn naturally. They learn from the TV, they learn from observing us. So they're just like sponges at this stage of their lives. They just soak up everything. Last week, one day I was in the kitchen and a big trailer passed, and you know that when the trailer gearing down, it make a bag and a so of course that is something that they're afraid of. They always kind of get scared of trailer, truck, garbage truck, any of those noises. Bikes, them don't like those kind of noises. So them run in the kitchen now, you know, hear the truck, and all of a sudden I said to them, truck gone, and Leila was just like, phew, that was close. And I'm like, huh? Where she learned that from? Phew, that was close.
Or, I don't know if we told you yet, or we can tell them
About what?
Say it.
when she said,
No, we're not pregnant. No, we're not expecting any more children. So those set up things like that.
with all this free time. But anyway, other day we're doing a photo shoot because you guys will see this
I love you,
soon.
Daddy.
Somebody had some persons coming from my workplace and they did. Alright, hold on. They took some pics of us, you know, on Father's Day. And they were going around taking pictures with Leila and Zara and the other twins and Hannah. And at one point, Zara just said, enough pictures now.
This is what you said. She's tired of them.
So she's like, yo guys, I've been doing this pretending playing my piano for quite a while. Enough pictures now, and she was like, enough pictures now. She's had it.
Yeah.
I had to promise her ice cream, and that was how she said, okay, fine.
Yeah, they've really, I think since bringing home the babies, it's like they've matured
Yeah.
overnight.
For it.
They've really seemed to mature, and they really have taken to their baby sisters. It really warmed my heart, you know, the way I see it, especially Layla, how much concern she show, and she come and she hug them up and she kiss them up like multiple times a day. Sometimes you have to be like, all right guys, they're sleeping, let them stay, give them a little space.
She remember the time last week and she went last week.
Oh gosh, last week, whoa, careful guys, careful. Last week I put the babies down for a nap, and Leila and Zara were out in the living room having their nap as well on the daybed, and I came out into the living room where Leila and Sarah were, and all of a sudden, one of the new babies, I think it was Eden, Eden woke up out of her sleep and started crying. She just started screaming. And all of a sudden, we just see Leila jump up out of her sleep and run go in the room, go look what happened to the baby. And me say, "What's here?" She not wake good, you know. She not wake good. She barely. It's like she barely even know which part she did.
But she just hear the crying.
But she just hear the crying and she just jump up and run, gone, go see if the baby alright. And they do that all the time when they hear the babies crying, especially Layla. When she hear the babies crying, she run come and baby crying, baby crying, baby crying. Yeah, man. They really amaze me.
They used to go to school now, so they used to go Crayon College in Kingston. They're not going back there, so I can't say the name. That was
It was a positive
an
experience.
interesting. I'm at affordability first. That was $7.5 a week per child.
Yeah.
I got like a 10% discount on
But
the
they got
second child.
meals. They got meals. They got breakfast, lunch, and
Right.
dinner, and they got
They're right on.
there was no, we never have to pay for aftercare.
True. It was a good package.
It was a good
package.
it was not bad package at all. It was not bad.
It was running us 60,000 a month.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. 60K a month.
Yeah.
But of course, everybody loved them.
Yeah.
Love the twins. Administrator go every down to everybody. Even people in other classes love them.
Yeah, everybody knew them.
And they had a play. They did a play there the Christmas, and
Zara was Mary.
Zara was Mary,
They were just a year old.
and she had a Joseph. So I was watching Joseph, you know. A brown Joseph. I said,
Oh boy. They I think enjoyed that experience.
Eventually they warmed up.
Yeah,
It wasn't-
eventually.
They used to cry, but
Yeah,
eventually
boy, that was heartbreaking. We would go there in the evenings to pick them up.
It's dirty.
Guys, stop marking up the car. Let them stay. Them go bed soon. Let them stay there.
But this arrangement now for this school is much closer. It's in the neighborhood. Not the neighborhood, but it's close.
It's closer than Kingston.
Yeah, so it would work out perfectly. And I think they'd like it. So if we are okay with tomorrow, we'll pray about it still and see if the timing is right.
Yeah.
Oh god.
What are they doing? Oh boy.
Thing got dirty.
Dirty, okay?
Dirty.
Yeah, dirty. Don't mark on the car, okay?
Yeah, so that's basically how we ended our Sunday with the preparation for dinner for a couple days in the week and eat some mango, full of vibe, and talk with them about school. So, how did you spend your Sunday?
Yeah, how was your weekend, guys? We want to know.
I could know what going on. So that's it for now. Comment.
I wanna like my hair. Pregnancy. This is one of the very positive spin-offs of pregnancy. Thicker, shinier hair. It's grown a few inches.
Let us tell friends bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Come Lily.
Bye-bye.
After 3 we're gonna say 1, we're gonna say bye friends. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bye, friends.